Phonetics.
Forme faible et forme accentuée. La prononciation de tout. La leçon est tirée de cette phrase de Louis Armstrong.
Yes, I want to be in that number.
Pour la suite de la leçon, suivons Rachel.
The word to is a preposition, so it's a function word. Function words will normally be unstressed in a sentence, and the word to will even reduce. Reduce means a sound will change. So, to on its own. True T with the oo as in boo vowel. But in a sentence, it will become t. True T with the schwa sound. Or it might even become d. D sound with the schwa sound. Using the flap T pronunciation will smooth out your line even more. I've looked at lots of examples to try to figure out, is there a rule for when it's appropriate to use the flap T or not? And I've decided you can use the flap T in the word to anytime except when the word to follows a word that ends in a T. Now if this rule is too confusing for you, don't worry about it. You can always pronounce it with a true T and a schwa, and that reduction is fine. However, a flap T will smooth things out just a little bit more. So let's look at some examples. We went to dinner. We went to dinner. We went to dinner. Now you'll notice the word before ends in T, so I'm pronouncing to t, t. True T, schwa sound. I'm not pronouncing two T's. We went to dinner. We went to dinner. Come to my party. Here I'm pronouncing the T as a flap. D, d, d. Come to my party. Come to my party. Much smoother than come to my party. Come to my party. Let's go to the store. Here to is pronounced d, d. Go to, go to, go to the. Go to the. Let's go to the store. I wanted to get more. Wanted to. Wanted to. Notice I'm not pronouncing two D's here. Wanted, d. The first D at the end of wanted is a stop. Wanted, d. Then I'm pronouncing to with the flap T schwa sound. Wanted to. Wanted to. Wanted to. I wanted to get some more. Did you notice that I did not pronounce the T sound in the word wanted? I said wanted. I dropped the T. This is not an uncommon practice when the T follows an N. Other examples: center becomes center, center. Or interview can be pronounced interview, interview. Dropping this true T smooths out speech. Even though I dropped the T, the ED ending still follows the rule for a word that ends in T or D and is pronounced with the I as in sit vowel and the D consonant. Wanted is a fairly common word. Don't be afraid to pronounce it wanted, wanted. You'll notice many native speakers pronouncing it this way. I wanted to get some more. I thought to myself. I thought to myself. Here I'm pronouncing to, t, with a true T because the word before ends in a T. Notice though I am not pronouncing two T's. I thought to myself. I thought to myself. We're going to your play. Going to, going to, flap. We're going to your play. Don't forget to reduce and link the word to. It's a very important part of this stressed, unstressed nature of American English. That's it, and thanks so much for using Rachel's English.